Hello friends, welcome back to Aliya. Today I am here with a new topic, refraction of light. So what is refraction? As we discussed in the previous tutorials, refraction is the bending of light when it passes from one medium to the other obliquely. The cause of refraction is the different speeds of light in different media. Now let's understand it better with the help of the example of a glass slab. See, if this is our glass slab, and this. Now see, this is the glass slab. This is an incident ray. Like this. Now, I told you in the properties of light that light always travels in a straight line in a transparent medium. And glass slab is a transparent medium. So, the light should go in this direction. But light bends. So if this is the normal, then the light bends in this direction. In this direction. And now again, when the light comes out of the glass slab, so this is the normal. And again the light bends. So, this is the incident ray. Now it bends because air is rarer than glass. And when light travels from air to glass, then the light bends towards the normal. This is the normal, and this refracted ray bends towards the normal. Now while coming out of the glass slab, it travels from denser to rarer medium. Because glass is denser than air. So it bends away from the normal. This ray is known as the emergent ray. The ray which emerges out of the glass slab. Okay, now let's do it practically. Here, I have a glass slab. I have a glass slab with me. Here I have a high beam laser. Please don't use it at home because it can hurt our eyes. I usually use it for star hops. See, if this is an incident ray. See, this is an incident ray. Some of the light gets reflected in this direction. Some of the light gets reflected and some of the light, see, the light deviates. See, try to see the deviation. And then when it goes out of the glass slab, again it deviates. Try to see it. So this is of a glass slab. Now, many times I am saying air is rarer than glass. Glass is denser than air. So what are the terms rarer and denser mean? Rarer medium are the medium which have low density, in which there is high speed of light. And denser medium, as the name suggests, denser medium have high density. And denser medium, the light slows down. There is low speed of light. Now let's perform another experiment. See, here I have a glass of water. Half filled. You can try it at home. This is a pencil. Now if I put it in the water and if I see it from this angle, then if we observe carefully, then we will see that the pencil is deviated. Let's take another example. Here I have this sharpener. Look at its size. And now if I put it in water, now see its size. Doesn't it appear as large? That is also because of refraction of light. If you see it from different angles, it will appear enlarged. If you see it from any angle. Let's take another example. Here is this glass slab again. Now look at this book cover. The Barbie word written here. If I put a glass slab on it, then the word appears to be raised upwards. Let's take it by another example. Here is the NCERT book through which we are studying. See, now look at this page. Here is written exercises. Now if I put the glass slab on this word, then the word appears to be raised upwards. So that was all for today's lecture. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep suggesting how can I make the video better. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.